Third and final round. All right, 10 minutes. Beautiful 6 exercise circuit here. Now, I'm going to recommend for the tricep portion of the exercise, go with a tricep push down format and go a little bit lighter than normal. We're using 20-20-20 grip stack. So we're going underhand to overhand to ham. And the underhand in particular is very tough from mobility and strength standpoint. So you go with the overhead option like you've been showing, but I'm just going to show with this beyond the fact that I'm pretty cashed out. This is just a great option to have in place. But we got 20-20-20s coming up. We're going to start here with the biceps and the bands. We go bands, we go body weight, we finish with bells. Let's get after it, baby. Finish strong. This circuit is for finishers. Let's close it out. 20 seconds overhand, weakest grip first. Here we go. Exhale up. Try to get 10 reps every 20 if you can. All the way up. Oh yeah. Quick switches coming up in 10. I'm gonna go underhand. Right away, underhand. Come on, let's go. Get better right now. Get better right now. Hammer, finish it off. Thumbs up. Ass out. No, ass in. Squeeze the glutes. Probably gonna reach failure every set here. Watch the eyes. All right, put it to the side. Okay. There's a particular technique. We're going underhand here. I want you to really focus on pulling the band apart. It's all about intention from peak activation and thumb out to get the inner tricep the most. 20-20-20, weakest grip first. All right, here we go. Ready? Intention. Pull it apart. Squeeze it out. One more tension, come out a little bit. Oh yeah. Watch my time, my girlfriend. Overhand. I'm gonna get a little more tension in it now. I'm still pulling apart there. Max lat and rear delt. Hammer time. Let's go all the way up. Give me a profile view of this too. Horseshoes, baby. Pull it apart. Squeeze it out. Get this out of the way. I declare. All right. 30-30 drop set. Low angle to start. Burn it out. Drop. Go to easier, lighter weight. It's a bodyweight drop set. No weight, no need to adjust the weights. And then we finish off. Any grip you want, by the way, I'm gonna go underhand. But first 30, pick a challenging angle. I want you to reach failure. Okay. Ugh. Oh yeah. Inhale it out. Exhale it up. Oh, you gotta go somewhere else. Go to your happy place. Shout out to Chubbs Peterson. Rest in peace. Oh, abs engaged, glutes engaged. Okay, walk it up a little bit, keep going. And if you can speed it up if you can. Only move through the elbow. Eyes closed, focus in. I want you to press through the pinky, pull through the pinkies. Come on, dirty little bitch. Don't be a dirty little bitch on camera. All right, same thing. Let's go. Deep inhales and exhales. Can he speak? All right, here we go. Get lower. Here we go. Come on, baby. Don't quit. Don't quit. Come on. Couple more, then we go a little bit higher. Body angle drop set. Come on. Ooh, that was failure. Did you notice? All right, here we go. Let's finish it off. Oh, shit. Oh, YouTube's not going to put any ads on my video now. Ooh. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, it's laughable when you get to it. Hell's bells to finish. Hell's bells to finish. We're gonna do what's called a 2-to-1. 2 dumbbells per 30, crush grip style to max out upper activation. Then you hold, put one to the side, go single bell. So it's a drop set, okay? Okay, here's how you grip. Look at this. Put the belts together like this, okay? Squeeze them. You're not gonna get full range, that's okay, constant tension. Squeeze them together. Make your chest and abs kick in too. Inhale down, exhale up. 2 minutes left. Chesticles is besticles. Put it down, grab it like this. Let's go. Final 30. Don't stop squeezing. It's all as hard as you make it. Oh, I'm a baby. Oh, come on, baby. Oh. Last set though, last set, best set. Squeezing together, same concept. Go line, tricep extension if needed. Just give me a second here, right now, focus. 30-30, 2-to-1. Crush grip, squeeze the hell out of it. Make lemonade, make lemonade. Don't stop squeezing. Abs engaged. Come on. One dumbbell down, one up. Finish it off. Whew. 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 Come on! Whew. Whew. Let's go. Don't quit. Don't quit on me. You quit now, you'll quit later. I promise you that. Stay in it. 3 more. 1, 2, and a 3. Wow. Give me a second. Great job. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. The more you support the content, the more killer content I'll get to you. All right, you're done. Unless you want to stay tuned for some overtime or a little post-workout cool down. Massage these muscles so that if they're a little bit achy or tight or you felt a little bit of tension in the elbows, let's go above and below now and accelerate recovery and start the recovery process. If not, thanks for joining us today. Love you guys. Peace.